Today we are going to discuss about the habits that are destroying your confidence. That's going to be the first part of this video, and the second part is going to be how to build confidence in 30 days. Scientifically proven. So, listen, keep watching because this is very much important. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Stars. This is the universe where you will become the best version of yourself. So let's begin. Now let's talk about how to build confidence in just 30 days. Might seem unrealistic, but there is nothing unrealistic in this world, baby. Building confidence is about small, intentional changes and consistent effort. So here's a 30-day plan to boost your confidence. For week 1, we are focusing on strengthening our mindset. Day 1, write down your strengths, think of what you're good at, write it down, and add to it daily. Start with a list of things you're good at and you're proud about you, and add few things to this list every single day. Day 2 is replace negative self-talk. Take a book, in one side write all the bad things about you, all the negative things which you say to yourself, and on the other side of the page convert that negative sentences into positive ones. If you are saying, I'm bad at programming, right here, I am learning programming and I'm getting better at it every single day. If you wrote, I'm not good enough, write in this side, I am capable and improving. Convert all the negative sentences about you into positive sentences, into the positive versions of themselves. Day 3, practice gratitude. Write down the things which you're grateful for. You can write down about 3 things every single morning that you're grateful for. Or even you can write it at night because the whole day has passed, and you can write on a day-to-day basis, like what are the good things that has happened to you for the particular day. You had a nice cup of coffee. You can write down, I'm grateful for the nice cup of coffee I had. I'm grateful for the sunlight coming into my house. I'm grateful that there was no traffic today on the way to my office. See, there are so many things to be grateful for, and you kind of ignore them. Make it a practice to write down the things which you're grateful for. 3 things every single day. That's it. Day 4, set one small achievable goal for that particular day and accomplish it. For example, learn Spanish for 1 hour or something else. If you are into health, you can say like, I'm gonna work out for 1 hour for today. Set a goal that's achievable, right? 1 hour you can work out. If it's achievable for you, go and work out for 1 hour. So when you accomplish that, you get that feeling that you can do things. Day 5, visualize success. Imagine yourself achieving the things you wanted to achieve. I already made a video on vision board. If you have not watched, check it out because it's the best way to visualize your goals. Visualize and get that feeling, get that emotion inside of you when you win, when you get that actually, when you are there. Day 6, learn something new. Take a small step towards developing a new hobby or a new skill you have been curious about. Day 7, journal about the wins you had this week. All the small wins, whatever you accomplished, you set up these many goals for yourself, you achieved it, write about it in your journal and celebrate your progress. So by the end of this week 1, you have strengthened your mindset. Week 2 is for stepping out of your comfort zone. Day 8, try something you have been avoiding for a long time. Maybe it's standing on camera in your meeting, or speaking up in the meeting, or making a conversation with someone new. Day 9, dress for confidence. Wear something nice that makes you feel confident and powerful. Day 10, practice saying no to something that does not serve you. Set healthy boundaries. Day 11, compliment someone genuinely. Confidence grow when you spread positivity. Say someone that their outfit is so good. You like the way they give a speech. Compliment someone. Day 12, take a small risk, like sharing your opinion in a group setting. Or you thought Pilates are so hard and you were avoiding it completely. You're taking a risk today and trying 20 minutes Pilates class. Day 13, laugh at yourself. Think about something stupid you have done in the past and laugh about. Think of the time when you thought that your ex was the love of your life, but turns out they were toxic. Think about that and laugh it out. Day 14, reflect on how stepping out of your comfort zone makes you feel this week. Maybe you can write down about the things you did this week by stepping out of your comfort zone. It's fun. Week 3 is for building healthy habits. Day 15, exercise for at least 20 minutes because it boosts your confidence, boosts your energy levels, and makes you feel powerful. Day 16, eat a nutritious meal and hydrate. Fuel your body for success. Day 17, start a morning routine that sets the tone for the day. Listen to positive affirmations and repeat with them. Start your day with journaling or meditation, or read a chapter of a book, or do a 20 minutes yoga. Day 18, spend 20 minutes decluttering your space. Clean up, tidy up, because you will think better, you will think clearer when your workspace and when your environment is cleaner. Day 19, take a social media break. Focus on your growth and stop comparing yourself with others you see in social media. Day 20, practice good posture all day, standing tall and maintaining a good posture even when sitting. Day 21, reflect on how these habits have changed you, how they makes you feel. Have they improved your mood and confidence? Journal about it. Week 4 is for embracing personal growth. Day 22, read a self-help book or listen to a podcast that empowers you. Day 23, identify one one limiting belief and challenge it and replace it with one empowering belief. Day 24, write down one of your long term goals and take one step towards it. Day 25, do something creative like drawing, cooking, writing. Expressing yourself builds confidence. Day 26, reconnect with a friend or family member. Building relationships strengthens your self worth. Day 27, review your progress and look back at all the small wins you had this month. Day 28, treat yourself for your efforts. Buy something small or take a relaxing bath or do something you love. Final 2 days are for stepping into your confident self. Day 29, visualize your most confident self. Visualize your most highest self. I have already made a video on how to visualize your highest self, so do check it out. On day 29, you are acting as you are already your highest self. What are the habits they have? You're incorporating it into your daily life. Speak, walk, and make decisions that your highest self will make. Day 30, celebrate. Celebrate your transformation. Celebrate what you have achieved within this month. Write down the things that made you feel so good about yourself. Write down the things that you learned in this 30 days. Confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the more stronger it gets. Follow this plan, and in 30 days, you will feel more confident, more self-assured, more self-fulfilled. For your easiness, I'm going to drop this 30-day plan in the description box, and when you're ready, you can check that out and you can follow that. I hope this video has helped you guys. I strongly believe that I did something good today. Feeling so grateful. When are you starting your self-development journey? Comment down below and let me know, or DM me on Instagram at @SELVES. I want to hear from you guys. How is your progress going on? If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Share this video with all of your friends and your wonderful circle. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.